你好，我是 Ellie. Hello, I'm Ellie. Welcome to Big Bang Vocab, the fun way to expand your Chinese vocabulary. Today, we're going to talk about a traditional Chinese festival, 腊八节。腊八节，腊八节，腊八节。腊 fourth tone is short for 腊月, meaning December in the Lunar Calendar. 八 first tone means 8. 节 second tone means festival. 腊八节 You can also omit 节 and just call it 腊八. 腊八节 is on December 8th in the lunar calendar. Why do we call the month of December 腊月? Because 腊 means offering sacrifices to gods or ancestors, and a series of such events usually happen in December in the lunar calendar. 腊八节 is the most important festival among these events. 腊八节 is also seen as the beginning of the preparation period for the Chinese New Year. 在腊八节，我们要喝腊八粥。To celebrate Laba Festival, we eat Làbā congee. 腊八粥。腊 fourth tone, 八 first tone, 粥 first tone. 粥 means congee. 腊八粥 means 腊八 congee. 腊八粥 is made of 8 different ingredients. Usually, people cook it in the evening on December 7th, stewing for the following entire night, and eat it with family members in the next morning. Eating 腊八 congee promises that one will have a prosperous year ahead. In the northern part of China, people make and eat 腊八蒜. 腊八蒜 蒜 fourth tone means garlic. 腊八蒜 means 腊八 garlic. It's a green garlic. People put garlic in a jar of vinegar on the day of 腊八, and then the garlic would turn green 15 days later around the Chinese New Year. People would eat dumplings with 腊八蒜 and 腊八 vinegar. Becky 老师很喜欢吃腊八蒜。Teacher Becky loves 腊八蒜 very much. Okay, it's your turn. Leave me a message and tell me, have you ever had 腊八粥 or 腊八蒜 before? Don't forget to tell me what topics you want to learn. See you next time. 再见。今天是腊八，我们吃什么？ What would she say? Please choose the best answer. 吃饺子，喝腊八粥，吃汤圆。Please choose the best answer.